Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can use Google Gemini from our Android lock screen. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, we need to activate our Google Assistant. We can go to our Google application on our Android mobile phone and go to your profile and open up the settings. Okay, right here, tap on the setting. Then you can activate the Google Assistant right here. You can go to the Hey Google and voice match, and then you can go to the Hey Google and voice match, and you can activate the Google Assistant right here. Okay, and after you have activated the Google Assistant, you can go to the Gemini, and you have to activate the Google Gemini. And if you want to use the Google Gemini from your Android lock screen, you can select this option and you can activate this feature, Gemini responses on lock screen. Okay, and after you activate this feature, you will be able to get Gemini's help with answer to general questions when your device is locked. You will be able to use it on your lock screen. Alright guys, and that's all the way to use Google Gemini from our Android lock screen. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!